everyone, it's Miss Milan at Hair Psychic. That's right, today we are going old school. We're going all the way back to the roller sets. Who remembers the roller sets? This is the best technique to keep your hair healthy and strong. So stay tuned, I'm about to start this demo.
Hairpsychic.com. Hairpsychic.com.
Hey guys, it's Miss Milan at Hair Psychic. We're getting ready to start this roller set demo. I am live on Instagram. This is my very first live Instagram on Hair Psychic. I'm so excited, you guys. This is a new chapter of my career. I retired of 35 years, and now I've rebranded myself as the Hair Psychic. So I hope you like, subscribe, and share my videos and support my dreams. Thank you again, and be sure to call me if you have any questions. I can be reached at 888-920-1118. Thank you so much, and I'm about to get into this video. The first step that we want to do is saturate the hair, okay? So, I've already shampooed and conditioned her. Her name is Sassy, because I'm sassy, so I'm going to call her Sassy. So here we go. We're just going to go ahead and saturate her hair a little bit better. Get that moisture in. Okay. Now, the setting lotion that I prefer is by Care. All right. This is a roller set demo. The setting lotion that I like is by Care. I love this setting lotion. It doesn't make the hair crunchy. It keeps it soft. I love it. Keeps the curls nice and smooth. So the goal is, the last post that I did was yesterday, Monday. I always do a post, kind of prepping everyone for my next video. I release videos every Wednesday. So, all right, so the hair is good and saturated. I'm gonna do it one more time. All right. So now we're using the vent rollers. You guys remember these? You don't need any pins. You don't need any pins for this. All you need to do is just have your placement together, okay? So we're gonna first create a side part, just like the photo of my post from yesterday. So we're gonna just angle it over, side part. See this? Right here. All right. And this is all about a no gap type of roller set, okay? She's got like a slight finger wave with a no gap, okay? So here we go. We're gonna start to the left. I'm right-handed, but everyone always asks me, are you left-handed? No, I'm right-handed. And I'm gonna go in like a vertical angle here. Vertical angle. And then I'm gonna start with my first roller. It's vertical. Okay, got that? Alright, here we go. I am excited. Always keep your comb in your hand. Bring the roller all the way up to the end. Make sure you don't have any fish hooks. Okay? And one of the good things about the Velcro roller is that it'll stick. Okay, you see that? It's sticking. Oh yeah, it's sticking. Okay? So we're just gonna go and vertical shape sections as close to the previous line as possible, because that's gonna allow you to not have any spaces once the hair is dry, okay? You don't wanna have any gaps or spaces. All right, so we're moving along. How was you guys' day today? Yeah? My day was good. I was prepping for this moment. And so So I'm excited to be in this moment. Absolutely. So we're going to go all the way up to a 90 degree. Tuck that in. Make sure there's no fish hooks. Okay. And there we go. It's just that simple. The Velcro rollers are amazing, you guys. I've had these rollers, I want to say for at least 20 years of my 35 years. These rollers they were popular like in the 80s, early 80s, mid 80s. This is a good substitution to keep your hair healthy and strong and not put too much heat on it. It's a really good substitution. All right. My first Instagram Live. I don't have any viewers yet because I don't really have that many followers yet on Instagram. So if you just happen to just be surfing through Instagram, please be sure to follow me. I really appreciate it. And definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel, Hairstyle. So this is the center section. And it's just really quick and easy, you know? It's a quick process. Alright, so we're moving along. And I'm doing everything in vertical parting because the reason being, I don't want any gaps, okay, with this roller set. Because a lot of times with roller sets, if you section like the typical old-fashioned way to section, you're definitely going to have gaps. And there's a trick you can back comb. There's a trick you can back comb to fill in those gaps. But if you place your rollers correctly, you won't have to do all of that. It'll just fill in on its own. So we're just moving along. I was like a master at my perm wraps and roller sets. So I can go pretty quickly through this process. Okay, so I'm almost completed on the left side. Yes. Okay, and I can show you how that's looking. See that? It's going to be a little bit of gapping here. A little bit of gapping here. But I got some back comb tricks. I'll fix it up nice. Yeah. And if you guys ever have any questions, definitely hit me up on my hotline. And that number is 888-920-1118. And my whole theme is to talk with you, of course, make you laugh because I am a stand-up comedian, and to also leave you with some knowledge, okay? So that's my quest with this new business venture I have. I want to talk to you. I want to hear what's on your mind, what you got to say. Definitely want to crack you up and make you laugh because I've got lots and lots of stories over my 35 years of hairstyling to share with you. And I can also troubleshoot because I am a licensed instructor, cosmetology instructor as well. So I have a vast array of knowledge in all hair textures to help you, you know. Maybe you're a student, maybe you've been in the business for 10 years, but you just got some troubleshoot questions. You need to clarify and better understand how you can handle your client's situation. And that's what I'm here for. I'm here to help you guys, okay? Definitely here to help you. You can count on that. I give expert, honest advice. And I'm excited for this new chapter of my career. Alright, so we've moved along very quickly. The back is almost rolled. Now we're going to use a smaller Velcro roller for this one, okay? We're going to use a smaller one. Let me saturate a little bit more. I love this mister. It's so wonderful because it just kind of distributes the moisture all over. So we're doing vertical again on this side. We're gonna pull it all the way up to a 90 degrees. Make sure that you keep your comb in your hand, especially if you're a student going to skateboard. You definitely want that. All right, so we're rolling along, and we're gonna kind of piggyback this one because I want to definitely fill in the gaps. Okay, that's very important with roller sets because what happens is once you go under the dryer, and if you have a lot of gaps and you take your rollers down, it kind of starts to look like James Brown, you know. You guys remember James, I don't know if you millennials know who James Brown is, but you don't want your roller set to come across as like a really bad hairdo from the 70s. That's what you don't want, okay? So we're just gonna keep going. Oh boy, I don't know if I lost my, this is my first time going live on Instagram, and I've made, oh, what is going on, you guys? Oh boy, excuse me. 1 second, let's see. Oh, here we go. I don't have any viewers yet on my Instagram, but I am hopeful that one day I will. On my comedy Instagram, I definitely have no problems with that. People love to watch me in my comedy. Okay, so we're moving along. We've got it vertical partings, close to the base as possible, 90 degrees. This is annoying, trying to go live and I don't know what's going on. Okay, alright, here we go. It's not what I thought it would be. I thought it would be a smooth transition, but it's not really that much of a smooth transition. Okay, so here we go. We're going vertical, and we're just kind of framing her face at this point, okay, you guys? Framing her face, Miss Sassy's face. Alright. You guys never gave me a name for her, so I'm just going to give her name as Sassy, because that's who I am. I'm pretty sassy. Now, we've got this last section, and we're going to frame it. I think I'm going to do 2 sections right here, just so that it's nice and full. Alright. We got it right here. And there we go. Boom, like that. And I only have a red Velcro roller. So, oops, that's a little bit messed up right there. Okay, here we go, here we go. Boom, make sure it's nice and smooth. And bam. So, here is the roller set, you guys. Just like that. I rolled it up in probably 10 minutes or less. Yeah, I remember when I was in beauty school back in the day, I won the contest. Who could wrap a perm the fastest? And I won. I beat my instructor, and she thought she was fast at it, but I beat her. And so I'll never forget that moment. So here is the roller set. All right, there it is. We're gonna stick Sassy under the dryer now. So stay tuned, and I'll be right back. Hello everyone, this is Miss Milan, and I am about to put Sassy under the dryer. She's gonna probably be under the dryer for at least 30 minutes, and I'll be right back, so stay tuned.
Hairpsychic.com. Hairpsychic.com.